Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. I got Amanda in the garage.
Hello.
We've got a Stanley. And somewhere around here we've got a Toby. We're in the garage today and I'm just decided to throw on a camera. There's Toby. Woo! Decided to throw on a camera to record a few things because we don't have any videos in the lineup to get out to you guys. And it's been 2 days since we posted something, which is really unusual for me. Man and I are going to be working on a couple of videos today, but I figured, why not throw an extra one in there? Oh, look out, man, it's going to fall. What is she doing?
Thank you for the dramatics.
Yeah, maybe we should, I don't know, find something to be able to stick this on. So Amanda's actually putting flat out in the Ansky because the front tire got to the point where I had to put air in it fairly often, so it has a small leak. And I said, we ride this a lot. Excuse me. We ride this a lot, so we need to go ahead and put some flat out in it. So she just let the air out. But see what the problem is? When the tire deflates so much and it goes down so much, then the kickstand is no longer holding up the bike. And so now the bike wants to fall over the other direction. So, whoop. Yeah. We'll come up with something to fix that for future bikes. But I'll hold on to it for the moment while you get that in there. But anyway, while I'm sitting here holding up the Ansky, what's going on here at eBike Reviews and Adventures? Oh my goodness. A couple of nights ago, my email blew up right about the time I was going to bed. Yeah, we've got, on top of the bikes that were already scheduled to come in this month, we've got like an extra 3. So I don't know what it is. Amanda and I are going to be pulling our hair out here pretty quick because there's like, I've lost count, it's 6 or 7 or so that are coming in, it's been promised. I mean, don't get me wrong, we're excited, and we live for this kind of moment, and we know how blessed we are. So, don't take it as a complaint. We will knock these videos out, bring you some new bikes, some new brands, some current brands, and yeah. Hey, let's see here. What else is going on? So, Big Red is sitting here in the middle of the floor. I finally pulled that back out of our storage unit and brought it over here, and did that by myself yesterday. Yeah, I had to empty most of the drawers and just threw tools in the back of my truck and made it light enough so I could pick each piece up because it's 3 pieces there. That's because I purchased a bigger one. I've needed the bigger one. I outgrew this one a long time ago, so that's got more storage. So now I finally have all my tools back over here. Got this one emptied. Now I'm trying to sell it to a neighbor or somebody, whoever wants it, to get it out of here because we don't have room for bikes. We certainly don't have room for an extra toolbox sitting here. So that's on the agenda. Yeah, what else is on the agenda? We're making a video today about the InMotion scooter. We're making a video today about this TST Dreamer bike that we got in just a few days ago. So we're going to be knocking that video out today. We're going to try to unbox this one right here. This is the EUY bike. Kind of cool looking bike. You can look at the silhouette there on the box maybe and see it. Kind of a unique design. Got another bike being delivered tomorrow that is another very unique design bike. And tomorrow? Yeah, I think it's tomorrow. Anyway, so it's going to be a lot of fun. You ready to air that tire up? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Want me to here, I'll pick up the back end. You hit the OFF button. So guys, when you do this, when the rim is sitting on the ground like that, okay, and you can see the tire, how it's already separated from the rim, and you got this big old gaping hole there, pick up the bike, take the pressure off, take the weight off, so hopefully that tire will seal, get seated right. Amanda, when it starts to pump, you may need to squeeze the tire. We can see how it's falling off right there at the bottom.
I see that.
To make sure it all goes on. I'll watch this side over here. Go ahead. Look good? It might be all right. We'll let it go. How much air is that?
So this tire takes 30, but I put in 25.
That was 25?
Mm-hmm. Do you want me to put in a couple more?
It just feels, pretty soft for 25. I mean, I can squeeze that. Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Or is it leaking out? It might be leaking out then. Yeah, it's leaking out.
Oh, that sucks.
It's leaking out. I don't feel any air, but that's way soft. See, it's only got 8 pounds in it. You sure you put?
Yep, I set it to 25 psi.
Well, let's try it again. See what happens. We'll watch it this time. Battery.
Ow. See, we have that issue around here where we keep forgetting to charge our toys.
She's right. We forget to charge our toys. Okay. Hey, so check it out, Amanda. My new toolbox over here, it's got a power strip across the top. So my plan was to put the battery charger and stuff over here so it's a little easier to get to. So we're not climbing over the mountain of bikes over here to try to find it. Here, hold that. Yeah, we will. Especially with another 6 or 7 coming in. So Amanda, here's something I didn't tell you. Emma and Devin are coming on Saturday because we're going to change storage units. We're going to move to the storage unit that is just opened up. That's a lot closer to us. Oh, I got to reach way over here, guys. And we're going to get a much bigger storage unit because we've got to have some place to put bikes, right?
Yeah, it's about time. We need the space for all these bikes.
We definitely. Here you go. There's that. All right, I'm going to grab the drill because with a little luck, this drill battery will be, oh, it's dead too. Don't look at me that way. Amanda's over there giving me the look. Okay, I've got a couple more batteries. They're just smaller, but I mean, if they're charged, that's all that matters. That's got 2 bars. This will be enough. At least we can finish off that tire. There you go. Slip that in there. Let me take this over and get it plugged in so these big batteries can start charging. Who's outside? I hear that must be like the fertilizer pesticide guy that sprays the lawn once a month. That's what it sounds like. All right, you've seen it here first. I'm gonna use this power strip. Look, I've still got to get all my tools organized and stuff, but okay, somewhere over here there's a cord. There we go. And I believe that needs to go back out this hole. And luckily, some time ago, I hooked up come on, get out. I added an outlet over here in this wall, so I had something on this wall. So luckily we've got one conveniently right there. So what's that? Oh, that's the, I'm going to unplug that one. That goes to the vacuum. Then I'm going to plug this in. We got power, so we can put one of these batteries on charge. Nice. I have to put that battery on charge. Look, that's my dear wife from, oh my goodness, 30 years ago? I have no idea. Can you see that okay? She's playing on we're in like this little playground area somewhere. I have no idea where that was at. She's on this little child toy that's like a backhoe, and she's operating it to dig in the sand. I've had this picture laying around in the garage, in my toolbox, for like 30 years or something. Whew. Okay, we're not going down memory road today. So with a little luck, I could maybe bring this cord back around. Let's bring that cord back through this little hole back here that we just, that away. Yeah, see, that'll work. We'll plug this in. So now my vacuum is now plugged in again too. All right. Whoa, don't fall quicker. There she goes. Look out. Whew, that needs to go back on the truck. Oh my goodness, Amanda. Is all I can say. All right. Let's put 25 pounds or whatever in that thing now. Hopefully that battery will do us just fine. Boom. Oh, all right. Woo-hoo, sorry. All right, here's something some of you might need to know. Unfortunately, last night, I parted ways with EcoFlow. Told them not interested anymore in their products. You know, some of their products are really good. Some of their products have been kind of hit or miss. And this big unit that we got, for those who've been around for a few months, you know all about that. We started having some trouble with it recently, and it's just acting up. It's not doing all the things that they're saying it'll do. And so it's a little disappointing. It can probably be fixed with future firmware updates, but I've been going back and forth with them, and they don't sound like they're too interested in trying to get anything done with it anytime soon, because they've already moved on to other brand new products they're getting ready to launch. And I said, no, and they've done that before, where they launched a product that wasn't quite ready for the market, and it was pretty buggy, and it took a while to work out the bugs, and I can't promote a company like that. So after 2 years and a whole lots of products that I've received from them, I told them last night, thanks, but I'm no longer interested, because they asked me to do more videos. And I said, no, not interested. Told them why. She came back and said she understood. There she goes. She's going flat.
Why does it smell like dead fish?
I don't know, man. Sometimes the air in these tires smell like dead fish. It's just got that rubber odor from the tire. Yeah. It's not too pleasant.
No.
All right. I don't have to hold this bike. It's standing up on its own.
That's fine. You can go do your thing.
Do my thing. All right. Well, my thing is about to wrap up here, because we got to move on to other projects, and I can't be talking and yakking on here with you guys. Just want to give you an update to what's happening. Yeah. So that's going to be it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Smile if you're having a good day. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Be looking for that next video, because we're making a couple today, so we're going to be firing them off to you here pretty quick. So from the e-bike reviews and adventures, Amanda, me, Stanley, and Toby say you guys have a great day.